Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you're looking to make shopping easier and quicker for your customers on Shopify, today's tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to enable the Add to Cart button right on your collection pages using the Dawn theme. This little change can make a big difference, letting shoppers easily add products to their cart without ever leaving the collection page. Let's dive in. I'll walk you through each step so you feel confident in your setup. First things first, head over to your Shopify admin page. If you're not familiar, this is basically your dashboard for running your store, where you'll find all the tools and settings you need. You can get here just by logging into your Shopify account, and you should land right at the admin panel. Everything we'll be doing today starts here. Now, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Online Store. This is the hub for all things related to your site's look and feel. The Online Store section is where you manage your themes and customize how your site appears to customers. Clicking here will open a drop-down menu, so just give it a moment if the page takes a second to load. Next, select Customize. This button is usually located next to your current theme. In most cases, if you're using the Dawn theme, it'll be clearly labeled. Customizing is where all the magic happens. It's essentially your workshop for making changes to layouts, colors, and in this case, your product display features. If it's your first time here, don't worry. It's designed to be user-friendly, and you can't really break anything. At the top of the page, you'll notice a menu labeled with the currently selected page, probably Home Page. Click on that dropdown and you'll see a list of various pages and sections of your site you can edit. For what we want to do, select Collections. Collections are basically groupings of your products. Think of them like aisles in a physical store, making it much easier for shoppers to browse related items. Within Collections, choose Default Collection. Most stores use the default collection template, so changes here will apply to all your collection pages unless you've set up a custom one. This step helps make sure your new Add to Cart button will show up wherever your products are listed in a collection view. Now turn your attention to the left panel. Find and click on Product Grid. The product grid controls how your products appear. Do they show up in rows? What info gets displayed? And, in this case, what buttons are available for each item? Clicking this will open the grid's customizable settings on the right side of your screen. On the right panel, there's a search bar or list of options. Look for Quick Add. By default, the Dawn theme might have a different button style, but you want to change Quick Add to Standard. What this does is swap out the simple, possibly less noticeable Quick Buy option for a classic, clear Add to Cart button. Standard buttons are familiar to most online shoppers, so it's a little like putting up clear signs in a store. Everyone knows how to use them, and it smooths out the shopping experience. Once you've made that change, make sure to hit Save. This step can feel small, but it's crucial. No changes are applied to your live site until you save. Take a moment to ensure everything looks good, and then click the Save button at the top right corner of the editor. And that's it. You've just boosted your store's user experience by making it simpler for customers to shop. If anything didn't look as expected, double-check you're on the default collection and that you've selected the correct button style. Sometimes it takes a moment for changes to show up. So refresh your collection page and see your new Add to Cart button in action. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give this video a like. Drop any questions you have in the comments. I love helping fellow store owners out, and your questions might help others too. And if you want more easy-to-follow Shopify guides like this, don't forget to subscribe for more tips every week. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your store.